a stunning battle. Happy birthday! Another birthday. Gauge! We have measured your own powers. Well, ironically, gauge is the metric in which we measure strength. And Gage's gauge is off the charts. Well done. Happy birthday. And Ayla. Am I saying it right, Ayla? Ayla. Well, happy birthday, Ayla. Well, today you must celebrate. Or just like Gengar, tomorrow Megatron may render all of us into ghost tanks. We must fight with everything we've got, which includes, yes, a Snorlax that knows Shadow Ball. Or Cola. Hello to the fighters. I do remember you. In fact, I remember both you and the backpack that looks like me. I love it. I know we couldn't unite in nuptials, but we can always unite in friendship. Good work, freedom fighters. We'll always have a place for you amongst the Autobots.
Live long and prosper.
Nice job. Please come forward. Hello there, what is your name? It's good to meet you. Have you seen any Decepticons out there? Well, I think we can breathe easy. You are so polite. You have decorum that matches your battle prowess. Could you do us a favor?
Hey, John.
Let's unshackle ourselves just a bit. For the picture, could you put your fists up to fighting pose? Megatron's in for the fight of his life. Bye-bye.
Come on in, everyone.
Big come out, they mean business, Bumblebee. Oh, this one's an exception. Well done. A throwback to our classics. You know, technically, Bumblebee and I are also equals. As long as you agree, with muscles to match. Do you think he could win a fight against E.T.? It's best not to think of it your way.